Kakanin, or native delicacies, are a staple in every Filipino household, wherever part of the globe you may be. We have them for breakfast, merienda, or dessert. It is absolutely present in every special occasion. It symbolizes Filipino heritage and culture. These are modern recipes that have been passed down from generation to generation. Our native delicacies are handcrafted by our mothers, who inherited these recipes from our grandmothers, great-grandmothers, and great-great-grandmothers. They are stories of love, family, and heritage. Every bite reminds us of happier times when life seemed so simple and uncomplicated. In this class, I will share with you a recreation of some of the best-loved Filipino delicacies. Only this time, it will have my signature flair, modern, edgy, and grand. Plus, we will put it in a beautifully crafted Filipiniana box. Sounds good? I hope you will enjoy learning from this class as much as I did making it for you.